Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain the best apps for your Xiaomi scooter. These applications are essential for managing your ride, offering features like real-time speed tracking, battery level monitoring, and even remote locking. We'll explore both the official Xiaomi Home app and popular third-party alternatives, helping you understand their unique benefits and functionalities. Choosing the right app can significantly enhance your overall riding experience. The official Xiaomi Home app is your primary tool for managing your scooter. It offers crucial features like real-time data on your current speed, distance traveled, and battery level, helping you plan journeys. You can remotely lock your scooter for security, receive important firmware updates, and customize your dashboard. It also allows switching between 3 riding modes: pedestrian at 5 km per hour, standard at 15 km per hour, and sport mode at 20 km per hour. Beyond the official app, several third-party options offer unique advantages. Apps like M365 Dashboard provide a customizable interface for live tracking, showing detailed metrics such as speedometer and battery percentage. For advanced users, Scooter Hacking Utility allows custom firmware installation, enabling modifications like higher top speeds or optimized battery usage. While these apps unlock greater control, always download them from trusted sources to ensure safety and compatibility. When choosing an app, consider your priorities. For basic management and guaranteed compatibility, the official Xiaomi Home app is highly recommended. If you seek advanced customization, detailed ride statistics, or performance enhancements, third-party apps like M365 Dashboard or Scooter Hacking Utility might be suitable. Always download apps from official stores and be cautious of unofficial sources to protect your scooter and personal data. Make an informed decision for a safer ride.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.